Hello everyone, I'm going to do a Dutch pour today but with my new pouring medium, and my new pouring medium is this PVA Bond. It's a builder's PVA, and so far it's worked really well, but I haven't done a Dutch pour with it. So I've been struggling to find the right pouring medium at the right price because we can't get Elmer's glue over here. Well, we can, but in just the small bottles, and it's quite expensive. So it's a bit too expensive to use all the time for a pouring medium. I have used this Mod Podge. I've used the gloss, and it's worked so well, really well. And I don't see any reason why the others, the matte and there's loads of different types of Mod Podge, isn't there? So I don't see why the others wouldn't work, because this did work fantastically. So I'm just trying to try out different things. So this PVA Bond, I've mixed in my little bottles here, and I mixed 175 ml of the PVA Bond and then 75 ml of water, so up to the 250 mark. Gives you a little bit of room there then to shake it, and then just put the glue in up to 175 and then the water in up to 250. Cover the top with put the lid on, cover the top with a tissue and give it a really good shake. Make sure it's all mixed up nicely. So that's my pouring medium today. Like I say, I haven't tried it out yet with the Dutch pour. So that's what I'm doing today. And my colours are Arteza Violet, which is this one, nice and runny, red just for the Dutch pour. The DecoArt Extreem Sheen Sapphire, and that is a wee bit thick, so I'm just going to, because it's just stood here for a little while, I'm just going to put a little bit more of that PVA Bond and water mix in there. That'll do nicely. And then I've got Pebeo Iridescent Orange Yellow. That's that one. And my absolute favourite, DecoArt 24 karat gold. Just have a look at this if you haven't used it before. Oh, look at that loveliness. Isn't it absolutely gorgeous? So I've got that one, and it does seem a lot lighter because of the pouring medium, but you'll still get the lovely glisten from it. So that's my paints, and that's my pouring medium. I'm just going to flood my canvas with this white that I've mixed up, and I've used the same pouring medium for the white. So I'm just going to do my canvas, and you don't need to watch me, so I'll come back to you in 2 ticks. So that's my canvas all nicely covered. I'll give it a quick torch. Those bubbles out. And then start adding our colours. So, where am I going to go first? I haven't really got a plan in my head of what I'm going to do here, so I'm just going to start layering them. Ooh, I'll go with the blue on the bottom. So I know a lot of you use the Floetrol. I know the Americans, I know you can get it in your country quite reasonably priced. And obviously the Australians as well. In Europe we can't get it like that. We use this Oertrol, and I've done some Dutch pours with the Oertrol as the pouring medium, So check out those videos, and that worked really well. But it's still quite expensive when you use it in the quantities that we need to use it in. It is still quite expensive. I'm going to go with the orange. And then some gold. And then the purple. There. Now, I'm not going to do the circle of paint around it. I'm just going to blow it straight out. And I'm going to use my handy dandy little blower. If you've seen some of my other videos, you might have seen me using this smallest blower in the world. And I usually take the nozzle off because that's quite a narrow end, so that gives me a bit of a wider blowing area. And I'm just going to blow it out and see how it goes. Oh, I'll tell you what, silly tricks, getting ahead of myself. I haven't torched it, I just need to torch that. There. There. Now, what I'm going to do is I like to come in with my turkey baster and do all the detail on it. And now I've got a little pipe that I just push in the end just to give it a bit more of an extension. So hopefully I won't get my head in the way too much. Turn that round a bit so it's easier to get to the other bits. Wipe my hands. So you often find colours hiding underneath like that. There. Oh, I'll just do this little bit just here. we'll give it a torch. Well, I think as a pouring medium, that's done pretty well for the Dutch pour. Look at this beautiful lighting area. It looks like Aurora Borealis. It looks so pretty. Got some cells coming through there. That's from the DecoArt Extreem Sheen and the 24 karat gold. Looking very pretty. I think what I'm just going to do, I want some purple in the middle, some purple and gold in that middle part. I'm just going to add a little bit in the centre. So a little bit of the purple and a little bit of the gold. And then we can just blow that out. Might be able to blow it out with the turkey paste. I'll just have to see how it goes. I'll try it first. Yeah, that's worked nicely there. That's got those gorgeous colours mixing there nicely. I like that better. Oh, that looks lovely. How those colours are mixing like that. Oh, it does look nice. Don't want to disturb it too much, but I just want it to look more natural, blended into the first colours that we put down. I don't want the hard lines between the two, but that's looking fabulous. It's looking really pretty. When I bring it down for a close-up, you'll see how those colours are working together. Really, very pretty. So I just want to just pull it over here a little bit. There. That's all I wanted to do. That looks gorgeous. That really does look lovely. So that pouring medium does work for the Dutch pour. So that's that PVA Bond I'll put a link for it in the description below because I got it off Amazon and it really wasn't expensive. That's a 5-litre tub. Oh, those colours look amazing. Let me take my gloves off and I'll bring you down for a close-up. So turn my overhead strip light off. So hopefully you'll be able to see the colours a bit better. How gorgeous is that, look? You see how all those colours mix together? Oh, little face there, look. Little cat with his arm in the air. Hello. Hello. So, look at those colours, how they've mixed. Trying to get it so you can actually see the colours better. I think it just looks amazing. Look. How gorgeous. Gorgeous. Isn't it pretty? So if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, click the like button. All the stuff that I usually say, please subscribe to my channel. Oh, look at those colours. Aren't they just gorgeous? So please subscribe to my channel, click the little bell notification so you get notified when I bring out new videos. Come and follow me on Twitter and Instagram. All my links are down below this video. And I'll put all the products I've used, I'll put those in the link in the description below, the links for those as well. But doesn't that look absolutely gorgeous? Gorgeous. I love it. I absolutely love it. I think those colours are just blending so well together. And you've got the sheen from the gold and the blue. Oh, it just looks amazing. Anyway, hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now. So here's the dried result, and it's dried absolutely beautifully. All nicely dried, and it looks absolutely stunning. The colours are nice and vibrant, and it just looks amazing. So I'm really pleased with that. So that works equally well with the ring pour which I did previously, which is a slightly thicker paint, and the Dutch pour, which is this one obviously, with the thinner paints. And I'm really pleased with it because that's quite inexpensive to buy and it works wonderfully. So I hope that's been helpful for you. I shall certainly be using this with more paint pouring adventures. So I hope you join me next time. Bye for now.